Do you live in a beautiful place, beautiful house in West Vancouver? It's a gorgeous place to live in. It's a good neighborhood. But I think you will have some issues with your house. You want either renovate or make an extension or addition, or having the secondary suite, you want to legalize it, for example. So you need somebody to assist you, to take you from the headache of the city hall, dealing with all that headaches with the architects, everything, or even the builders and everything. Don't worry, I'm here to help. I can help you from the beginning to talk to you how we can resolve your issue, then to make it more suitable for you. And at the same time, we provide a drawing to the city, get a permit for you, get the right people to hire them with the fair price, with the fair service, all in very good condition. So trust us that we are trustworthy professionals working with expert people and offering you the best quality service as well. Contact me as soon as possible. Thank you.